Learn these 10 business English idioms before you go to work. Let's get it. Touch base. When someone says they want to touch base, they mean they want to quickly update or check in on you. Hey Pascal, do you have a moment after the meeting? I'd like to touch base about our new project timeline. Get the ball rolling. If you are eager to start a project, you want to get the ball rolling, which means to get things started. Now that everyone's here, let's get the ball rolling with this meeting. Think outside the box. This means to think creatively and look at problems from a new perspective. Pascal, we need a fresh marketing strategy. Do you have any ideas? How about we think outside the box? How about we post videos on TikTok or Instagram? Good idea. Just put on a shirt. What are you doing? Seal the deal. Did you just close an important contract or agreement? You've just sealed the deal. This means that you completed or successfully negotiated an agreement. Stamp. Seal the deal. The clients loved your proposal. One more meeting to hopefully seal the deal. Call the shots. If you are making the important decisions, you are calling the shots. Call the shots means to make the important decisions. Pascal calls the shots in this department. He has the final say. The bottom line. This is the main point. This is the ultimate conclusion. This is the bottom line. Thank you for all the details, but what's the bottom line? The bottom line is that we need to make a profit. No, the bottom line is that you need to wear a shirt. Climb the corporate ladder. Are you trying to get a promotion and advance your career? You're trying to climb the corporate ladder. You are trying to get to the top of the company. Good luck. If you continue to show this kind of dedication, you'll climb the corporate ladder in no time. To read between the lines. This means that you're trying to understand a hidden meaning. I can read between the lines, and I think he's not happy with our performance. I'm not happy that you're not wearing a shirt. Back to the drawing board. If your plan failed and you have to start over, you're heading back to the drawing board, making a new plan. Our proposal wasn't accepted, so it's back to the drawing board, guys. To pull one's weight. Do your fair share of work. If everyone does their part and pulls their weight, the team will succeed. Don't be lazy. Pull your weight. We need everyone to pull their weight for this project to meet the deadline. Let's go. And there you have it. 10 of the most common business English idioms that you can use right now. Like what you learn? Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for more English lessons. Until next time.